What's up, guys? Welcome to the Fierce 5 channel. Today we got all of us here, Brandon, Cody, and me, myself, Nick. We're here to open up this Silver Tempest Elite Trainer box. We're hoping to pull the LUGIA V out of
I already
this.
pulled the gold LUGIA.
Yeah, we did that.
That was awesome. We opened a booster box.
That was actually a lot of fun. So we're gonna get into this now. Like I said, the one card you want out of this is that LUGIA 4 one, or the altar. I think it's the altar is what you want. Okay. There is that other one that we pulled a while back, that gold LUGIA. We will want that. This one does not come with a promo card though. Full box.
That gold was a VMAX would be cool.
Yeah. These are just your little counters for when you play the card game. Your damage, heal counter. Here's your code card. These sleeves are actually nice. I like how they look. Dice, there's your energies, there's your divider for your box.
There's that normal full art LUGIA too. And the holo.
Yeah, the whole is nice. Yeah. These dice are pretty sweet. And you got 8 packs, I believe, in this one, if I am correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There's also the V-Star LUGIA.
8.
Look at this. The list right now.